Hi everyone, it's the unicorn here, and today I have crazy hair, but you know what? Let's forgo the crazy hair. I have this really bronzed up, super glam makeup look for you guys. Now, if you think of summer, you think of bronzed skin, like really glowy, shimmery, bronzed, healthy looking skin. So that's what I tried to emulate. I am a little pale at the moment because I'm very pale at the moment because I'm not getting any sun thanks to COVID-19. But hey, I can still have a really, really warm, sun-kissed makeup look on my face, right? So this is what I have. And if you guys want to pretend like you've been at the beach like me, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with a shimmery base and I'm just pressing that into the skin, and what this is going to do is going to really help your skin look dewy and glowy. For the foundation, I really like to go in with minimal amount, and if this is enough coverage I'm going to leave it as is, but if I need more coverage, notice how thin I'm putting on the second layer. I like to work in very, very thin multiple layers because that is what prevents caking. Next is concealer. This is my favorite concealer in the world as of now. It's the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Custard. It's the perfect shade if you have my skin tone, and I'm just really pressing that into the skin using my fingers. Even for the under eyes, I'm not using like a crazy amount under eye triangle stuff. I'm just using the smallest amount that is going to help cover up just the things that I want to cover up. I like using my fingers because it really helps warm up the product and make it look a lot more natural. Next is contour. I like starting from the outside perimeter of the face, and then I like to slowly bring the contour inwards. And I use circular motions to blend it out. Don't forget to contour the jawline. If you have a super duper defined jawline, I guess you won't need to do this step, but I do. Now for powdering the face, you don't need to use a lot of pressure or a lot of product. Just a light dusting of powder is all you need. You don't need to bake, you don't need to do anything crazy. This is all you need. Now it's eye time. Today I'm using the Adreed Cookie Class palette, and this palette is a beautiful bronzy, warm brown palette. Oh my god, I'm getting so tongue-tied. With this light caramel brown color, I'm just shaping out the eyelids. And then with a darker shade, I'm going in and defining the eye sockets and also the outer V. Now with this even darker brown, I'm adding more definition to the crease and also shaping out the eyelids even more precisely because I don't want it to be wonky. I want it to be very, very smooth. And I'm going in with a clean blending brush to blend all the matte shades together. And this is going to be the perfect foundation for our bronzy shades to go on top. Next, with this beautiful bronze shade, look at that. This is honestly my favorite bronze shade out there. I'm just using my finger for maximum pigmentation, and I'm bringing that all the way up to the crease area. Now I know it looks scary, but there's nothing to worry about because all the brown structure that we put underneath is going to prevent the eyelids from looking like an awkward, huge, bronzy blob. But still, for further definition, I'm using this darker bronzy shade and just dabbling that on the outer corners. Now because this is a shimmer shade, it just blends out just like that. With a light shimmery shade, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And with a clean blending brush, use windshield wiping motions and also small circular motions to make sure that your shadow is very, very blended out seamlessly and perfectly. We want that soft, blown out look. Next up is bronzer. Now this bronzer is a shimmery, very healthy glow bronzer. It's a beautiful product. I don't know why I don't use it that often anymore, but I'm definitely going to start again. And I'm just placing that right on top of where I placed my contour. See what I mean? Look at that glow. It's so beautiful. Now for the lower lash line, I'm just applying the same bronzer that I did on my face. Lashes, there we go. And this is the highlighter that I'm going to use today. Sorry about the dirty packaging. I have no words. It's just embarrassing. But yeah, this highlighter is a really super duper glittery, glamorous highlighter. If you like natural looks, stay clear from this boy. And the blush is just the old ass blush that I always use. Perfect color for my skin tone though. Lips, obviously nude. And I'm finishing off with this beautiful lip topper, and that is it for the makeup. Woo, the hair is crazy. Ta-da! And this is the final look. Okay, so I was going for a really summery, bronzy, warm look, and today I kind of stacked two lashes because the first one that I put on was a really ugly lash, and then I had to salvage the look, so I put two lashes on, so my eyelids are freaking heavy right now. But anyway, that's not important. The important thing is that right now, I am going to open some birthday gifts that I got. Now, due to COVID-19, my birthday gifts, like, some of them came on time, some of them didn't, but I'm just going to open up the ones that did come on time. And this is the d'Alba Piedmont. I have no idea how to pronounce that. But anyway, d'Alba. And this is a skin mist that flight attendants in Korea use, or allegedly use. And what that means is that it's going to be really glowy and hydrating. And look at the box. Looks so luxurious with the gold ribbon and all, like, and it's like a slightly textured box. So that is gorgeous. Love the packaging already. Ooh, okay, so there's like a little mini mist, and then bam, there's this big baby right here. Oh, that's a fine mist. Okay, I love that. Whew, that's like so refreshing. I just tasted it. Oh, that's like a really bad taste. Don't taste it, guys. But it smells really nice, very refreshing. Oh wow, the skin is super glowing. Oh my god. This is just a bug bite that I got. So itchy, so annoying, but it's there. Let me just cover that up again. So that's a really nice gift. That's really nice. And then there is this eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow duo. It's Minist, I think. And it's just a pink box. It says, just be yourself, you are already perfect. Aw, thank you. That's a sweet message. Which is true, by the way. Y'all are perfect just the way you are. Now, making improvements that you want to make is not a problem at all, but don't let society pressure you into doing something that you don't want to do. Yep, Spectrum Change eyeshadow. So these shades are shades that kind of represent the sunlight in 3 times of the day: sunrise, afternoon, sunset. So there are 3 palettes. And I asked my friend to just choose one because I couldn't choose. I like all of them. I want you to choose one. So let's see what he chose. Whoa, he actually got 2. Whoa. This is awesome. Look at these, it's so cute. So I got sunrise and sunset. Thank you so much for the birthday gifts. I can't wait to play with these shadows. I mean, it's a pleasant surprise. I only thought like, I mean, one is enough, but two is always better, so yeah. Yay, I'm definitely gonna have to text a big thank you for that. And yeah, that pretty much concludes the video. I hope you guys learned something today, but if you didn't, I hope you guys at least enjoyed the video. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, I finished filming, and then I was going to edit, and then I noticed that the front of my lashes were becoming undone again. Like, so, yeah, in case that was bugging you, I'm sorry, but it's just a bad lash day. It's what it is. Alright, hope you guys have a great day, evening, night, whatever. And I'm gonna go edit again. So bye.